treating you this way. Cause I've been acting like sour milk all on the floor. It's your fault you didn't shut the refrigerator. Maybe that's the reason I've been acting so cold. Why this beat so complex?
Hey, let go, yeah. Niggas say, why you act the way you act? Why you move the way you move? Shit, I can't trust these niggas. I told you, listen to this song, you will see.
Hey, I had enough of going through the struggles. Had enough of bearing my brothers. Had enough of trying to spec me out of nigga. They showed me plenty time, don't trust me. I thought he was solid, he showed me he wasn't. So I'm really just feeling like fucking. Sometimes you just expect more from a nigga when y'all both really came up from nothing. I thought you was.
I gotta know what I be on. I already told you, little boys, it ain't safe for the flight. If you niggas think you so tough, why the fuck you don't talk all that shit to my motherfucking face? Bitch, do it look like I play games.
Hvad så? Hvad så? Hvad så? Stik af!
Who the fuck you callin' broke? Ain't me, you claiming you getting money. Can't be, I'm just fucking a cot, they can't be. Nigga must thinking I'm joking, that's crazy. 100 blue faces, paper on a daily. I ain't gon' stop going hard in this bitch till I pull up on haters in a brand new Mercedes. I win this bitch, and my nigga, we made it. I'm taking bread up, I really got chances forever. Just wait till I give me a bezel. Like a Beretta.
Forstår du, hvad jeg siger? De små fra kvarteret, de ryster med nier, ja.
Jeg bliver godt at ryste røven, ikke?
Forstår du, hvad jeg siger? De små fra kvarteret, de vifter med nier, ja. Na, vi venter på solskin.
I ain't shit changed, I been the same nigga since pre-K. I was just in New York, the Glock ain't through Philly. A nigga play turn on the cheese steak. I done seen nigga wisdom get left on the curb. 10 million get niggas a T8. My BM used to do something the rear. I fuck her so good, made her throw away her E-Day. This a Maybach, it came with the curtains. AMG in the driveway, a German. If you reach, you won't make it the surgeon. I ain't need just rapping, I'm purging. Fuck nigga, I really got the stick in the back like a pogo. If you diss me, I'm pulling up dolo. Cause you know it ain't free for the promo.
Søster. Hvad så, mand? Hvad fanden har du at lave her, mand?
Det er så svært at være så god.
Sorry. Det er sådan en banger, den her.
Det er så svært at være så god. Det er så svært at være så god. Det er så svært at være så god.